In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Figma files to AI Adobe Illustrator. If you design in Figma but need to refine vectors, prep files for print, or hand off assets to someone working in Illustrator, this simple workflow will get your artwork across cleanly and quickly. First, open the Figma website in your browser. Once you're in, make sure the design you want to move is visible on the canvas. You can export an entire frame, multiple selections, or a single object. Selecting only what you need helps keep your Illustrator file tidy and lightweight. With your content selected, look to the right-hand sidebar in Figma and find the Export section. If you don't see it, ensure something on the canvas is selected. Click the Export option to reveal the export settings. Here's the key part. Set the file type to SVG. SVG keeps your shapes, strokes, and text as editable vectors, which is what Illustrator handles best. If you see advanced SVG options, you can usually leave the defaults, but know that outlining text will prevent font substitution issues, while keeping text editable preserves flexibility if you have the font installed in Illustrator. When you're ready, click Export. Figma will generate the SVG and download it to your default Downloads folder. If your browser asks where to save, pick a location you'll remember. It's a good idea to name the file clearly so it's easy to find later. Now, switch over to Adobe Illustrator. Importing the SVG is straightforward. Open Illustrator, then open the downloaded SVG file as you would any other document. The artwork should appear with vector paths intact. You'll notice that the layer and group structure from Figma often carries over, which makes editing easier. Complex effects like heavy blurs or certain blend modes may be simplified in SVG, so if something looks different, select the object and check the Appearance panel to see what came through. From here, you can edit anchor points, adjust strokes and fills, recolor shapes, or prepare outlines for printing. If your design included images, they may be embedded inside the SVG. That's normal, and Illustrator can handle embedded images alongside vectors. That's it. Open the Figma website, use Export with the file type set to SVG, click Export, then bring the downloaded file into Adobe Illustrator. This keeps your design crisp, scalable, and ready for professional vector editing. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a smooth handoff from Figma to Illustrator.